everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. If it is your first time to drop into my channel, you're welcome. My name is Harriet from Uganda, East Africa. So today we are doing street food and we are here in Ukasa. I'm going to be showing you guys what people eat over here. So like, share, comment, and of course subscribe so that you don't miss out any of our videos. So let's get into the video. So you can see over here there is a chicken barbecue, then there are sausages. So we're going to be having the chicken barbecue, and also we will have the sausage over here. This is the gentleman that is selling engoko yameka. So one piece is 5,000 Ugandan shillings. So that is $2. So yeah, $2. So you can have any that you want, how many pieces. So it depends how many pieces that you want, but for us we're going to be taking one piece. Yeah, so I think and all this is it fresh? Fresh? Okay, so all this is fresh. So let me choose what I want. So I'm gonna be choosing what I want. So okay, I think this one. Yeah. So it's going to be warming it for me, but I like dry, a little bit dry, not all that too dry, but something that is dry. Yeah. So what do you give with the chicken? What do you accompany? Salads, tomatoes and onions. Okay, cool. I'll see how we'll be cutting everything and putting it on the plate for us to have, guys. So I can't wait really to enjoy everything. So this is a whole chicken. If you want a whole chicken, if you want a piece, if you want a half of it, so whatever you want is what they can give it to you. So this is the most popular street food over Uganda that you can have over here. Yeah. So it's cutting it for me in 2 pieces. Wow, looks so yummy. So he's adding some tomatoes, whatever you can call it, guys. Tomatoes. And some onions. This is gonna be yummy. Okay. Some cabbages. Okay, those are raw cabbages. That's enough. Then some salt. Do you have chili? Okay, you can put for me some chili, but not too hot. Not too hot. So guys, this is what we have gotten for $2. So this is like a chicken barbecue. So yeah, so it is accompanied with salads. Yeah, so let's enjoy this together. Let's test this. This is really nice. Oh my god. I wash my hands, guys. Don't say that I didn't wash the hands. This is really nice. Wow. The chicken is very, very nice, guys. Very yummy. And also when you put it together with tomatoes, it looks very, very tasty, guys.
Good.
Let me taste this one. The cabbages. Nice. Uganda is well known for its most popular food known as the Uganda Rolex. The Rolex is basically a mixture of chapati and omelette, then with some salads that we're gonna be having right now. So this guy over here is going to be making for us the Rolex. Chapatis are already there, so it's not gonna make chapatis, so it's going to be making some Rolex. So it's a mixture of eggs. You can see the eggs are already here. So it's going to be now making the Rolex. So let's get to the process and we eat the Rolex. Rolex yameka?
Yabbiri maji abiri chapati.
Njaga ya 10. Yeah. Yabbiri. Okay. So it's going to get for me the Rolex. I'm going to make it for 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Okay. 2,000. So these are the eggs. Okay, 2 eggs with 1 chapati. Okay. Then it will add some onions to spice everything. Okay. Then you will add some green pepper. Okay, nice. Okay, then he will put some cabbages. That's enough. I don't like too much cabbages. Okay, nice. Then we'll add some salt. He's adding some salt over there. Okay. And we'll add some cooking oil. That is cooking oil. Nice. Okay. I don't want it when it's dry, eh? Yeah, I want it when it's a little bit wet, eh? Then we'll add some oil again. Okay. So it's okay like that, you can turn because I don't want too dry, eh? Okay. Oh, nice. So he's adding some chapati. Okay, nice. Nice, that is it. So he's going to cut again some onions and put tomatoes. Wow, this is really yummy. I haven't yet even tasted, but I already feeling the yummy part. Already feeling the yummy part, guys. So he's running it for me. So you cut it for me into pieces, then you put in the plate, and I'm gonna eat from here. Okay. It's time for us to taste. Ooh. So guys, this is the Rolex. So it's now time for us to test our yummy, yummy Rolex. Let's go! Woo!
Hello.
Nice. This is very tasty. My stomach is bursting, guys. So this is another street food. This is called the bichepere. So this is out of Sambusa. So let's see how this one tastes. Actually, it's my first time to taste, but I have always tasted sambusas, so at least I know how sambusas taste. So today we also going to be testing this one, and we see how it really tastes. But trust me guys, it will taste nice. And all this is gonna be 500 Ugandan shillings, so I'm gonna be giving her the money. Mama, bya bitano, eh? So 500. Then we're also going to test the corn. So let's first test this one, the crunchy ones, these ones. So guys, let me know in the comment section in your country, how do you call this? So guys, this is how basically it looks like. This is really very, very delicious, guys. Very nice. It is crunchy. Actually, this one you can even eat 10 of them. You can eat this 10 of them without even getting tired, guys. And also, it's very sweet with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or maybe milk. Yeah, you can really eat a lot of this because it's very, very tasty, guys. We have corn here, fresh from the garden, so it's the best that we're gonna be trying out now. So let's get into it, guys. So you can see this is corn already fresh, and you know here in Uganda we only have fresh food right from the garden. So I'm going to be trying out mama kasoli wameka walukumi, eh? So this one is 1,000 Ugandan shillings, and in dollars it is $0.28. So we're gonna be trying out one. I wonder one that is hot. Of course she's making it from the charcoal stove. So let's see which one. I think this one is nice. Yeah, bantere koyo. So she's gonna be warming it for me. I like hot things. Yeah, so we're gonna be trying out corn. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna be having right now, guys. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Look how beautiful this corn is. Very, very beautiful. So let's test, guys. Yeah. Wow, nice. This one, guys, it's very tasty, very sweet, very fresh. You can see even the students are here buying some street food. Yeah. I like this one. is potato chips. Then we have pancakes. So we're going to be having the pancakes. These pancakes. Ooh, it looks so nice. Give it to me for 500. So they're going to give it to me. I'm going to have for 500. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. This is for 500 Ugandan shillings. So you can see how beautiful these pancakes look like. This is really yummy, very, very yummy. So if you have enjoyed our video, thank you so much for coming and of course coming along with me to taste all this amazing street food. Yeah, so if you're coming to Uganda, this is one of the things that you can try out and see how the street food of Uganda tastes and see what people eat around, you know. Yeah, so if you like the video, share, like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our videos each time that we post. Hope to see you all in our next one. Enjoy your day. Bye guys. Love you, kisses and hugs.